That's the main element. You can also customize this. Advanced collection for and your name. And I will start this in 2000 and so on, whatever you want. You can even change the picture. One. The question is, if you notice, that's for bonus. Why the background is blue? Haven't I changed the blue to gold, the yellowish color? How is that this item is still blue? For one particular reason. There's no template. I changed one of the templates for English, the advanced English template. But here doesn't have, the template is not template. That's why it haven't changed at all. If you are still browsing the possibility of getting the advanced English collection, I will suggest using the link below, so you will support my work and it won't cost you anything extra. Hope this video has been useful for you, and see you next time.